Morning students. Today now we are discussing about human reproduction la oogenesis அப்படிங்கற ஒரு subheading of gametogenesis. Okay, but what is oogenesis? Oogenesis அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு process அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Oogenesis. இப்போ oogenesis அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு process development of female gamete in the ovary. ஒரே லைன் development of female gamete in the ovary is called oogenesis. அப்ப oogenesis begin in the stage, which stage? Okay, oogenesis start during embryonic stages. Umar Guzi. Oogenesis start at the stage, in a such stage அப்படிங்கற embryonic stages. அதுவே spermatogenesis begin at puberty. Okay, during the fetal development. Okay, some cells of germinal epithelial cells in the fetal ovary division or repeated division by the or oogonia can produce. That is called oogonia. Millions of cells. Undergo repeated mitotic cell division to form oogonia. Okay. If some of the oogonial cells start dividing, enter into the prophase one of meiotic first division to form primary oocytes. To form primary oocytes. Okay, some of the oogonial cell enter prophase one of penisar அப்படிங்கற meiotic first division to form primary oocytes. Okay, the primary oocyte அப்படிங்கற temporarily arrested at this stage. Temporary arrest in this stage. Why, sir? When the primary oocyte then get surrounded a single layer granulosa to form primordial germ cell or primary follicles. It is cross section of ovary. Okay, that is blood vessels. Okay, that is artery and vein. Okay, that is called primary follicles. That is called primary follicles. Okay, then the primary follicles, a large number of penis அப்படிங்கற form ஆகும். என்ன form ஆகுது? The primordial germ cells, otherwise called primary follicles, a large number of follicles are degenerated during birth to puberty. For numerous, that is a large number of primary follicle cells are degenerated from birth to puberty. பிறப்பு முதல் puberty வரை. Okay, millions of cells can degenerate. Okay, at puberty only 60 to 80 millions or 80,000. 60 to 80,000 of cells remain at the puberty stage. பிறந்த முதல் puberty வரை millions of cells என்ன degenerate ஆயிரும். At puberty ageல எவ்வளவு சரி இருக்கு அப்படினு கேட்டது 60,000 to 80,000 of follicle cells remain or retain the ovary. Okay, then secondary follicle or maximum the primary oocytes or primary follicle. From the primary follicles to surrounded many layer granulosa. The primary follicles to surrounded by many layer granulosa. Okay, the many layer granulosa is called secondary follicles. The primary follicle gets surrounded by many layer of granulosal cell or new theca layer to form secondary follicles. Okay, then tertiary follicle. A fluid filled space. The antrum developed. The fluid filled space. Antrum means center part of the follicle. The antrum can develop. That is tertiary follicle. Okay, the primary follicle surrounded by many layers is called secondary follicle. The secondary follicle containing fluid filled or antrum develop in the follicles get transformed in the tertiary follicle. மூன்றாம் நிலை follicle. அப்ப இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய theca layer get organized into inner theca and inner theca externa and inter externa. ஓகே, அங்க ரெண்டு லேயர் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஒன்னு இன்னர் தீக்கா இன்டர்னா, another one is called என்னது அவுட்டர் தீக்கா எக்ஸ்டர்னா. இந்ததுலயே தீக்கா இன்டர்னா, தீக்கா எக்ஸ்டர்னா. ஓகே, தென் மூணு லேயர் தீக்கா இன்டர்னா, that is two layers of egg, தீக்கா இன்டர்னா and தீக்கா எக்ஸ்டர்னா. ஓகே, at this time primary oocyte in the tertiary follicles. அப்ப இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய primary oocytes, that is a primary oocytes. But the primary oocyte in the tertiary follicles. Okay, to grow in size, get organized into, உனக்கு என்னவா ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது சார் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா, it is secondary follicles or secondary oocytes after completion of first meiotic division. Is to form secondary oocytes. Okay, first meiotic division completed. The first meiotic division completed உனக்கு என்ன primary spermatozoa, primary oocytes can develop into secondary oocytes. அப்ப the secondary oocytes எப்படி இருக்கு சார்? unequal. The secondary oocyte to form unequal. One secondary oocyte, another one is called first polar body. First polar body. The first polar body immediately disintegrate. Okay, then after fertilization, the secondary oocyte or secondary oocytes undergoes several meiotic division second completion to form one ovum, one second polar body. That is a second meiotic or meiotic division completed. Okay, second meiotic division completed. The secondary oocyte can develop into, that is a ovum. Another one is called second polar bodies. The second polar body immediately இது உனக்கு என்ன disintegrate ஆயிடும். அப்ப remaining இருப்பது என்னது? single ovum. அப்ப tertiary follicle become mature. அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல உனக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? tertiary follicle become mature. The mature follicle is called Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle to release the egg or ovum. That is corpus luteum. Finally is called corpus albicans. Okay, அப்ப the matured Graafian follicle release the egg after ovulation. ஓகே, முதிர்ச்சி அடைந்த கிராஃபியன் பாலிக்கில் எதை விடுபடுது அப்படின்னு கேட்டு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, எக் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணும். இட் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன் டஸ் நாட் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ், ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன் நடக்கலனா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா the second meiotic division cannot completed, they can be disintegrate. At the end of gametogenesis the female or end of the வந்து பார்த்தா அப்படினா oogenesis, the female each primary oocytes can rise to the haploid ovum. Finally that is ovum, haploid. So the primary oocytes can develop into haploid ovum. Understand? அப்ப ஈஸியா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. the primary oocyte, secondary oocyte, கடைசியா ஃபைனலா பாத்தீங்க அப்படினு கேட்டா சிங்கிள் ஓவம். Understand? ஓகே, பாத்துக்கோ. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, thank you.